So welcome to the today's session on multiplication of large integers using a divide and conquer strategy. So before move to the divide and conquer strategy, we have some primary algorithm called pen and pencil algorithm for larger integer multiplication. So each of n digits, so if you have n digits of first number, n digits of first number is multiplied by each of n digits of second number. So first number have some n digits and second number have n digits, each can be multiplied total number of n square digit multiplication. So this n for first first number, this second n have digits in the second number, we can get n square multiplication. Okay, so example, consider the two digit number 23 and 14. We taken as example 23 and 14. Using a pen and pencil algorithm, we are going to solve this problem using pen and pencil algorithm. Okay, so here we are going to write this 23 is equal to 2 star the position. You can write it in the position 2 into 10 power 1 position and the position of the numbers 10 power 0, 0th location. We can count it by zeros, 1, 10s likewise, and the position 0, 1, and 14 will be written as 1 into 10 power 1 into 4 into, sorry, this is plus symbol, 4 into 10 power 0. Okay, so going to multiply 23 and 14. So 23 into 14 is equal to 2 star 10 power 1 plus 3 star 10 power 0 star, this is 23, and 1 star 10 power 1 plus 4 star 10 power 0. Okay, so because this is 20, the 10 power 1 is 10, 2 into 20, 2 into 10, 20 plus 3, 23, we can get done 10 plus 4, 14. So we can write the 23 as like this, 14 as like this. Okay, next we are going to simplify the terms with the multiplication. We can multiply this term with these two terms and multiply this term with these two terms. Okay, so 2 star 10 power 1 star 1 star 10 power 1. I multiply this term with this term plus, okay, 2 star 10 power 1, again I multiply this term with this term, star 4 star 10 power 0. Okay, plus again I am start multiply this term with this one and this term with this term. Okay, so 3 star 10 power 0 star 1 star 10 power 1 plus 3 star 10 power 0 star 4 star 10 power 0. Okay, so now we again going to simplify these terms, and we can multiply 2. We have the same base for 10 power 1, 10 power 1, so we can multiply 2 into 1, 2 star 10 power 1 plus 1, 2. Okay, and plus we are going to simplify, we can multiply these two terms. 4 inge 0, 10 power 0 inge 10 power 1. So 4 into 2 8 star 10 power, you can the powers will be added. If you multiply the coefficients and the power should be added. 10 power 1, 0 plus 1 1, plus the coefficients 3 into 1 3 star 0 plus 1 1, 10 power 1, plus 3 star 4 12, coefficients is 12 star 10 power 0, both are 10 power 0, so 10 power 0 plus 0 0. Okay, so next again simplify the terms. 2 star 10 square 100 plus 8 star 10 power 1 10 plus 3 star 10 power 1 10 plus 12 10 power 0 1. Again simplify. 200 plus 80 plus 30 plus 12. The answer is 322. So number of multiplication. How many number of multiplications performed? So number of multiplications 12. So total number of multiplications 12 approximately. Okay, so consider next. So consider the divide and conquer. Consider divide and conquer strategy to multiply the large integer values. So for any pair of 2-digit integers, A will be written as, you can 2-digit integer, one will be considered as A will be written as A1 and A0, and B, second integer B, will be written as B1 and B0. So for their product C, you can add the A, you can multiply A and B, store the result in C. The C can be computed by the formula. C equal to A star B. Okay, A star B will be written as C2 into 10 power 2 C1 10 power 1 plus C0. This will be written like this. Okay, so where this is for C equal to A star B. So this is where C equal to A star B. So this will be elaborated using some kind of calculations, that is equal to, this will be written as, A will be written as, here A will be already written as A1 A0 and B written as B1 and B0. So this will be using a divide and conquer strategy. Given input will be divided by half. So A1 10 power, instead of the 2, n by 2 plus A0. Okay, star B1 10 power n by 2 plus B0. Okay, so this is the general formula. Next we going to again apply the divide and conquer strategy. So is equal to a1 10 power n by 2 star. You can multiply with this. A1 will be multiplied with the b1, and a1 10 power n by 2 star, b1 10 power n by 2. Okay, then plus a1 10 power n by 2 star b naught plus, okay, the same. You can multiply this term with these two, one, then this term with these two, then a naught star b1 10 power n by 2 plus a naught plus b naught. Okay, this is the multiplication like a pen pencil algorithm. Again we are going to simplify the terms. So here a1 10 power n by 2 star b1 p power n by 2, we can multiply the coefficients and add the power values. A1 star b1 into, so 10 power n by 2 plus n by 2 2 n by 2, so this term getting cancelled, plus the next one is you can have a1 10 power n by 2 star b naught. You can add these values. So a1 10 power a1 does a1 star b naught. So this will be written as a1 star b naught. This term we can write this a1 star b naught, and plus a naught, this a naught star b1, and from these multiplications we take this one as a general term, 10 power n by 2 plus a naught into b naught, a naught plus or n naught into b naught. Okay, again I am going to simplify the term again. In this term is equal to a1, so here we can getting cancelled, a1 star b1 power n, a1 star b1 n, plus you can write this a1 star b naught plus a naught star b into 10 power n by 2 plus a naught star b naught. This will be common formula for doing a largest integer multiplication. Okay, so using this formula I am going to solve a simple multiplication. For example, for instance a will be taken as 1 2 3 4 5 6, and b is equal to 117933. So here what is n value? How many number of digits in the both the numbers? N is equal to 6. So we are going to multiply a and b and store the result in b. C equal to a star b. So for this a star b we can use this formula a1 and b1. Okay, a1 is the first n by 2. a1 we have a first general formula with c is equal to, that is a1 10 power n by 2 plus a naught, then star b1 n power n by 2 plus b naught. Okay, so n by 2, so the first digit is the n by 2, first 3, n by 6 by 2 3, first 3 digits will be a1, the remaining 3 digits will be a naught. So for this we are going to apply the equation. Then what is a1 here? This is a1, this is b1, this is a naught, this is b naught. Okay, now we apply this formula is equal to So we apply the formula C is equal to A1 star B1. A1 is 1 2 3 1 2 3 star 117. That is power value is 10 power 6, no, 6, that is into 10 power 6 plus and A1 values 1 2 3 star B0 values 933 plus A0 values 456 star B1, this is B1. Okay, B1 values 117 into 10 power, this will be written as a 10 power, n value is written as a 10 power n by 2, 10 power 3, that is n value 6 by 2 3 plus A0 into B0, A0 456 plus star B0 is 933. Okay, so you can simplify these things, we can get the answer. Okay, this is the largest formula for largest integer multiplication. So here, how many single digit multiplications are needed to compute A star B? So how many single digit multiplications needed to compute if we ignore the shifting operations required for multiplying 10 power n and 10 power n by 2. So here this is nothing but this is 10 power n and 10 power n by 2. So for this, how many single multiplication needed? See here, this will be replaced with a single constant value. A1 star B1 replaced with single value, and these terms will be replaced with the single value. So I am going to write with a single, already discussed about how the formula will be derived. So from this we can again simplify this equation or formula. This whole term will be written as C2, that is A1 star B1 will be written as C2 10 power n, plus then this whole term will be written as C1 into 10 power n by 2 plus C0. Okay, so here we are going to expand so we are going to write the description about this formula. C2 is equal to A1 star B1. Okay, is the product of first house. A1 is the product of their first house and C0 is nothing but a A0 star B0. Okay, C0 is nothing, this will last term is written as a C0, no? So C0 A star is A0 is the product of their second house. Then C1 will be written as C1 is equal to A1 plus A0 star B1 plus B0 okay, minus C2 plus C0. Okay, so this C1 is nothing but this will be written as C1 is a product of the sum of the A's halves and sum of the B's half minus sum of C2 and C0. So this is the C1. Okay, so next step is going to form a recurrence relation for this one. So here we write it as multiplication of n digit number multiplication of n digit number requires 3 multiplication of n by 2 digits. 3 multiplication for n by 2 digits. So the recurrence relation for the number of multiplication m of n will be written as m of n equal to 3 into m of n by 2. So here we already have a 3 multiplication. In the previous equation we can get a 3 multiplications. So it will be written as 3 into n by 2. This is for n greater than 1, that is m of 1 is equal to 1. If there is one element, there is only one multiplication. So now solving it by backward substitution method, because it's a divide and conquer, solving by backward substitution method, substitution for n equal to 2 power k is, so instead of n we can substitute with the 2 power k, so m of 2 power k. So for all the recurrence relation formed by divide and conquer, we follow the same method, 2 power k divided by 2. Okay, so this will be written as 3 m of 2 power k minus 1. So for the whole this term, then we can apply the previous term for 2 power k minus 1 is k minus 2. So this 3 will be outside. So we are going to apply the formula for only this term, 3 into m of 2 power k minus 2, 2 power k minus 2, and the next we can simplify this 3 square, 3 into 3, 3 square into m of 2 power k minus 2. Okay, so again write this like 3 square, 3 cube, 3 power 4. This will be written commonly as 3 power I into m of 2 power k minus I. The common term will be replaced with the common variable. So here to simplify this, we can apply the common, we can replace with I as the k, 3 power k into m of 2 power k minus k. Why we can replace with k here means we can get, then only we can get the formula for m of 1. Okay, so 3 power k into m of 2 power 0. 2 power 0 is 1. Okay, so this will be written as 3 power k into m of 1. So here we already seen this previous equation, m of 1 is equal to 1. Okay, because there is only one element, no multiplications, only one multiplication, that is a is 1, b value is 1 means only one digit means only single multiplication will be takes place, so m of 1 is equal to 1. So here 3 power k into 1. Since k equal to, we are going to find the value for k equal to log to the base 2n. Okay, why? We already get a value for k in the previous analysis, that is the binary search and also a merge sort, quick sort. So 2 power k is equal to n. Take log on both sides. Take log on both sides. Log to the base 2 power k is equal to log to the base 2n. Okay, so here this will be written as k into log to the base 2 equal to log to the base 2n. So this will be replaced with 1. K is equal to log to the base 2n. So the k value is written here. So m of n is equal to 3 power log to the base 2n. Okay, so this will be written using some logarithmic formulas. M of n equal to, this will be come here, n power log to the base 2 3. Can rewritten using some logarithmic formula. N power log to the base 2 3 approximately is equal to n power 1.585. The value is n power 1.585. So the algorithm time complexity for multiplying largest integer is order of n power 1.585. So this is the time complexity for multiplying largest integers using divide and conquer. Once again written, order of n power 1.585. Okay, this is the time complexity. Thank you.